Hello guys, once again welcome back to another Android app development tutorial. In this video here I am going to show you how to capture video using an external camera application available on the device. So we can begin with the new Android Studio project. So here our project is created. So if the camera is the necessary part of your application, you have to specify the camera feature inside your manifest file. So use the users feature XML attribute, specify name, specify the feature name. Here it is, android.hardware.camera. So if the camera is necessary for the functionality of your app, you have to specify Android required into true. So this will restrict your application on device with camera on Google Play Store. Okay, so now we can create the user interface of the application. So first here I modify the root element into a linear layout. Now here I'm going to add two buttons for capture video and for display that video. Specify on click method. So this button is for capture video. Now here I place another button for play that video. So now we need to implement these two methods inside activity class file. So here I implement that two methods. Okay, so now we can start another external application to start video capture. For that here I create some integer variable. I name it as video request, initialize with some variables. So now we can create an indent for start an external application. I name it as video indent. Specify the action into media store.action video capture. So now we have to check if there is any available activity for handle this indent. In that case, we can start another application by using the start activity for result method. First parameter is the indent, second parameter is the request code. Okay, so now we can receive the result inside the onActivity result method. So from the indent parameter, first we have to check some condition. If request code is our request code and result code is result okay, in that case we can receive the data. So we can receive the data in the form of a URI. So here I create some variables called video URI. So now you can retrieve the data from the indent parameter. Here it is data.getData. Okay, so now I'm going to create another activity for display that video, play that video. So here I'm going to create another activity. I name it as video play activity. Now we can create the layout. So here the root element change that one into relative layout. So for play that video, I place a video view. Specify ID for it. Okay, now go to that newly created activity, create some variables for video view. Now we can initialize that variable. Okay, so now we can display that video. So first we have to pass that video URI to the second activity. So from the play video method, first create some indent object. Target activity is video play activity. So now we can pass the URI to the indent. So play indent.put extras, specify key for it. It is video URI. Now pass the video URI. Now we can start that activity. Okay, so now we can receive that data in the target activity. So create a variables for URI, URI don't pass Now get the extras from the indent. Get string video URI. Okay, so now we can attach that video URI to the video view. So mvideo view dot set video URI. Now we can start the video. Okay, so now we can test it. So I run the project. Now capture some video. So now here start recording. Okay, now I stop the recording. Now click OK. So now we can play that video, and here the video is now playing. Okay, so this is how we capture a video using an available external camera app on the device. I hope you understand the concept. Thank you for watching. See you in the next episode.